In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign PDFs online with Jotform Sign. This guide will walk you through a simple yet powerful method of electronically signing your documents in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Jotform Sign. If you already have a Jotform account, simply log in. But if you're new to Jotform, you'll need to create an account. Setting up an account is straightforward and painless, ensuring you have all the tools at your disposal to manage your PDF signatures effectively. Once you're logged in, our next step is to upload the PDF you want to sign. Look for the button that says Start Signing or Upload Document. Click on it and you will see options to either upload a document directly from your computer or choose one stored on Google Drive or Dropbox. This flexibility allows you to work seamlessly with documents no matter where you've saved them. After your PDF is uploaded, it's time to add your signature. On the interface, click Add Signature. You'll be able to click anywhere on the PDF to place your signature precisely where it needs to be. This precision is vital, especially if your document requires multiple signatures in different sections. Along with placing your signature, you'll also need to assign who should sign it. This feature is particularly useful when handling documents that require more than one signatory. Now let's move on to sending the document for signing. Once the signature is in place, it's time to send the document to the intended recipient. Jotform allows you to do this easily. Enter the email address of the person who needs to sign. They will receive an email notification prompting them to review and sign the document. This process makes it incredibly convenient for both parties involved, avoiding any confusion or overlooked tasks. When the recipient opens the email, they can click on Review and Sign. They'll have an option to sign the document by adding their initials or drawing their signature. This flexibility ensures that the signing process accommodates different preferences and device capabilities. And there you have it. With Jotform Sign, signing PDFs online becomes a breeze, saving you time and streamlining the entire process. This tool is perfect for ensuring that all your documents are signed efficiently and securely. By following these steps, you've simplified the method of signing PDFs online, making it as quick and efficient as possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.